In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Cash App card to Apple Pay. Now, Cash App is a banking and payment application that allows you to send and receive money, use your Cash App card for purchases, invest in Bitcoin and stocks, and manage your Cash App balance. Adding your Cash App card to Apple Pay can make everyday payments faster and more convenient by allowing you to use your iPhone or Apple Watch for contactless purchases instead of carrying your physical card. But before you get started, make sure you already have an active Cash App card. If you haven't ordered one yet, open Cash App, go to the Money or Banking tab, then follow the instructions to request your card. Now, once your card arrives, make sure it has been activated before trying to add it to Apple Pay. Then, to connect your Cash App card, open the Apple Wallet on your iPhone, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now you have to select debit or credit card, then tap Continue to begin the setup process. If you have your physical Cash App card, you can use your iPhone's camera to scan the card information automatically. But if you prefer to enter the details manually, select Enter Card Details Manually and provide the required card information. After entering your card details, tap Next and follow the instructions provided on your screen to verify your card. Once the verification process is completed, your Cash App card will be added to Apple Wallet and ready to use with Apple Pay. You can then make contactless payments at stores, apps, and websites that support Apple Pay. Simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the payment terminal and then confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. And that's how you can add your Cash App card to Apple Pay on your device. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.